What's up, guys? Public tour here, back at you with the Cop Watch. Today we're at the Home Depot parking lot, and as you can see behind me, there's some cops back there arresting somebody. Let's go see what's going on. I don't know what's going on. I just got here, it's raining out. He shut his CAD, good job. These tires are looking a little bald. Looking a bit bald here. I don't answer questions.
Okay, just back up a little bit.
As you can see, I'm more than 10 feet away from this stop. Let's go see what's happening over here. Can I get your name and badge number, ma'am? Okay, I'll mark that down as a refusal.
Sir, you need to stay away from the patrol car. You can video as much as you want, but you can't.
I'm 10 feet away, sir.
You cannot go by the patrol cars. You just got to step away.
I'm 10 feet away. I'm 10 feet away. How far back do you want me to be?
I want you to be more than 10 feet.
Need to be able to hear audio as well, according to the Constitution. Yes, I do. You're violating your oath to the Michigan Constitution and the United States Constitution. Hey guys, I wanted to stop the video there and give you a little bit of context and case law into what I just said. There are a couple of case laws that pertain to audio recording police officers that reinforce our right under the First Amendment to the Constitution to be able to hear audio while we are videotaping police officers in the course of their official duties. First, we have Project Veritas Action Fund versus Rollins from 2020. I quote, "A citizen's audio recording of an on-duty police officer's treatment of civilians in a public space while carrying out their official duties, even when conducted without an officer's knowledge, can constitute news gathering every bit as much as a credentialed reporter's after-the-fact efforts to ascertain what had transpired." Unquote. We also have Fields versus City of Phila in 2017. Quote, "Under the First Amendment right of access to information, the public has a commensurate right to record, film, digital, photograph, or even audio record police officers conducting official police duties in public areas." So next we have Glick versus Kniff from 2011. This is a very popular case law when it comes to the First Amendment auditing community. And I quote, "Glick filmed the officers from a comfortable remove, the 10-foot rule, and neither spoke to or molested them in any way, except in responding to officers when they directly addressed him. Such peaceful recording of an arrest in public space that does not interfere with the police officer's performance is not reasonably subject to limitation. The same restraint demanded of law enforcement officers in the face of provocative and challenging speech must be expected when they are merely the subject of videotaping that memorializes without impairing their work in public spaces." Now you may notice, and I'm sure some trolls are going to call out, that none of these case laws are pertinent to Michigan because the circuit hasn't ruled on it. Well, in the court of law, when they are deciding cases, they very often look to other circuit case law to make their decision. That's why these decisions are still so important, even if they weren't made in our jurisdiction. And on top of all of that, all of that, the courts have determined that when it's a danger to the public or to the officers, that's when they can ask you to move back. In this case, the person is already handcuffed and they are already searching the vehicle, and there is no reasonable safety concerns that these officers might have. No reasonable safety concerns. None.
What law is that? What law is that, sir?
You're gonna find out.
Oh yeah, it won't hold up in court. What's your name and badge number? That's vehicle number 711. He is not identifying. Neither officers are identifying. I'm going to write that down as a refusal to identify, and those are complaints filed. I wonder if they have permission to search this car, even if it's incident to arrest. They must have probable cause. As you can see, I'm quite a distance away. Giving me unlawful directives. We got Patrol Unit 718. We're gonna head to the city of Roseville and pull these FOIAs. And then we're gonna file complaints. This female officer refused to identify when I asked her politely and kindly, and so did this male officer. As if they already didn't say more words than just their name and badge number. Disgrace to the badge. It's kind of cold and rainy out here, guys. Sorry if the video's a little bit shaky. I don't think it is. I can't tell. Didn't bring a jacket. I wasn't expecting a cop watch, but hey, here we are. He said, I'm about to find out what law it is. That tells me he doesn't know that there's a law on the books that he could arrest me for filming in public. Accountability and transparency in our government. I don't know if that phone he's using is a personal or paid for phone by the city. I guess we'll have to find that out as well. Clearly, again, to show for court in case these tyrants decided they want to arrest me for filming in public, I am a good 20 feet away from this. Let's see if she'll give me your name and badge number now. Name and badge number?
Like we said, you have to step away.
You said you would give me your name and badge number.
I'm in the middle of an incident. I don't need to give you my name
You've
and badge
already
number
said
right now.
more words than your
Take
name and
a
badge
step
number.
back.
Okay. Unlawful directives, but okay, we'll be filing complaints on that as well. As if we can't walk up over to this equipment over here and look at it. Let's go look at the equipment. Got some Home Depot rentals over here. They're pulled up right in front of these rentals. So if I needed to come check these rentals out, they would have to come by the police car, right? And it's crazy how they just leave all these rentals out in the rain, like with no cover over them. There should be like an awning or something here, but I guess it really doesn't matter. Maybe even behind a locked gate, I don't know. Starting to rain pretty hard out here. Remember, you have a right to remain silent. You also have a right to record your public officials in the course of their duties, especially the police. Especially the police. These two officers are complete tyrants. She said 30 words in the amount of time it would have taken her to tell me her name and badge number. It would have been done with it. Looks like they're letting him go. For whatever reason, they violated his rights and searched his truck, put him in detainment, and then decided they weren't going to go through with it. So we'll head to the city of Roseville and pull all their information. All right, y'all. It's raining hard as hell. I'm getting soaked out here. Let's see if they retaliate when I get in my car and try to take off. But, woo! Couple of tyrants. Let's get over to the Roseville police station, file these complaints, and do our FOIA request. Public tour. See you there. Peace. Got the ambulance going.
little pissed off. This lady lying.
What happened?
This lady lying over here. This truck just ran in. He said lady she was making the turn. She just rammed into her. And now she's saying she didn't do it. And she was right by me. I'm like,
So wait, you said a truck rammed into her, or she's saying she didn't do it? I'm confused.
this lady in the black truck, right?
Yeah.
The lady in the black truck. She ran the red light.
She ran the red light?
Yeah.
Damn.
And now she's saying she didn't do it.
Always record.
I was right by her. My car was right by her right there. I had stopped.
Always record your interactions with law enforcement. And other people, because they lie. Knowing that. I don't know about that other car over there. So apparently somebody ran a red light. This car is tripping out. Got its emergency horn going. I think this is just a witness. I don't think there's anything wrong with this vehicle here.